In this video, we'll look at how to highlight cells that contain duplicate values in a specific range in Excel. In this example, we have a table that lists the item names in column B and the quantity of those items in column C. The table contains both duplicate and unique item names and quantities, and what we want to do here is to highlight only the cells that contain duplicates. To begin the process, we first need to select the entire data range, which in this case ranges from cell B3 through to C9. Then go to the Home tab and click on the Conditional Formatting option in the Styles group. From this list, select Highlight Cells Rules and then click on Duplicate Values. This will display a Duplicate Values dialog box. In the first drop-down field, by default, the duplicate option should be selected. However, if it's not, ensure that you've selected the duplicate option. The second drop-down field is where you nominate how you want to format the cells that contain duplicate values. This already provides you with a number of pre-existing cell formats. However, you can customize your own by clicking on the Custom Format option. Let's go ahead and create our own cell format by clicking on the Custom Format option. This now displays the Format Cells dialog box. And given that we only want to highlight the cells that contain duplicate values, click on the Fill tab and then select any of these colors. Alternatively, if you want a larger range of colors, click on the More Colors button. For simplicity, let's just go ahead and select this light blue color and then click the OK button. This will return us to the Duplicate Values dialog box. In there, click the OK button. And that's it. You can see that only the cells with duplicate values have been highlighted from the selected range. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.